or should I say Namaste ji. I'm Dakshita and I'm back with a new travel series, Himachal Within. This one's a little different. It's not just about places, it's about slowing down, about feeling what life used to be like. Quieter, simpler, more real. It's like traveling back in time and maybe a little closer to oneself. Through this journey, I'll be visiting places and stories that go back almost 1,000 years, places where history still feels alive in the air. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning. The air is crisp, the light is soft, and as the train starts moving, everything feels calm. The Kalka to Shimla toy train isn't just a ride, it's a piece of history. Built more than 100 years ago, it runs for about 96 kilometers, climbing from the plains of Kalka all the way up to Shimla at over 2000 meters. Along the way, it passes through 102 tunnels, 864 bridges, and more than 900 sharp curves, each turn revealing something new, something timeless. It's not just an engineering marvel, it's a moving postcard, one that changes its frame with every few minutes. The train moves slowly, giving you time to actually take in everything: the forest, the small stations, and those endless mountain views. No wonder it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's not just travel, it's an experience. Before coming here, I watched so many videos trying to figure out which side of the train had the best view. And after all that, I still ended up on the wrong side. But once you're here, you realize both sides are beautiful. Every turn, every view, it's all worth watching. The train bends and curves along the hills, and sometimes you can actually see it turning ahead. That long red train moving slowly through the green valleys. Most people around me are asleep halfway, but I just can't stop looking out. The sunlight keeps dancing through the trees, the sounds of the wind mixes with the rhythm of the wheels, and it just feels peaceful. Somewhere in between those tunnels and valleys, I realize how much beauty lies in stillness. In a world that's always running, this little train teaches you the joy of moving slow, of noticing how the mist settles on the pine, or how life quietly unfolds at each small station you pass. After a while, I stopped thinking about reaching Shimla because honestly, this ride, this feeling, that's what I came for after all. This is where my journey begins. This is Himachal Within, a journey through the hills and a little within too. See you in the next episode. Until then, keep traveling, keep seeking, keep learning.